Hello children, welcome to art class. Art is an abstraction. Rather bring your art forth by dreaming of her and think of more creation. Art is an experience and not an formulation or solution of a problem. Art is not a mirror held up to the reality, but a hammer to which we need to shape it. With these beautiful notes, let us start the class. As we are heading to our national festival, the Republic Day. Republic Day is celebrated on 26th of January every year in our country. To this national festival, let us draw some pictures. You can observe children, my board is decorated for this national festival Republic Day. See how the balloons or the flags is being pasted and decorated. To your level you can draw a flag. How to draw a flag? As I told in earlier classes, to draw flag with easiest method. Draw a straight line and make it F. See, this is F. And if you draw one more line, it becomes the flag. See children, like this you can draw and color. Coloring here above the saffron color, below green color. Or you can draw even the balloons. Like this balloons you can draw three color balloons. First one the saffron, white color and green color. Like this you can make balloons also. And also you can make one flower like this. One flower with three petals like this. 1, 2 and 3. See, like this flower. Here in the center you can make the Ashoka Chakra, and here you can color the saffron color, white color and green color. Like this you can make some different pictures with related to our tricolor and color it. Observe children, I have done it on a paper to show you the sample. Like this you can make your Republic Day very enjoyable and joyful. With the same colors, the tricolors, I made one diya. See how nicely I have used my ideas. Like that you can create some other pictures and make this festival, National Festival Republic Day, a memorable one by drawing different images. Today I am going to teach you fastest or speed or quick way of some animal drawings with the help of a circle. Let us start. Observe children, with the help of a circular thing I have drawn a circle. You also draw a circle. Later we'll go for drawing. See, very fast I draw a triangle inside, two dots. It become a mouth. Now I'm going to put a tail like this. See, it has become what? It has become a bird. See, it has become a bird. You also try it. Now again coming to another animal. Draw a circle inside. One small circle inside again and one line like this. It becomes a mouth and two dots. See what it has become? It has become a bear like this. You also draw. Again another circle. You draw fastly. Now see I am drawing one like this thing. It has become the eyeballs. See here I am drawing one leg like this. What it has become? It has become a frog. See, observe children. Now draw inside two circles like this, big circles like this, close to each other. Now another circle like this inside again. One nose. What it has become? It has become, can you tell what it has become? It has become a owl. See, observe children. See, the owl, and you can put the legs also. See, it has become the owl. See, like this you have to make speed drawings. Now another cute animal, draw two dots inside for the mouth and small triangle shaped mouth or nose. See, observe children. Now the whiskers. Now by seeing this you can identify that it is a rabbit. See, like that. Now again see children, with the help of the circle two dots for eyes and two lines like this. Now some more dots inside like this. Now give the shape of these legs. What it has become? It has become a lady bird. See, it has become a lady bird. Now two dots inside for the face, mouth and the nose. Now here comes, what animal is this one? Can you identify this animal? By seeing this structure like this thing, you can identify that it is a sheep. Observe children, it is a sheep. Now another animal you can identify, the eyes, the nose, the mustache or the cheeks, the whiskers. Now see, by seeing this, you can identify that this is a cat. See, by putting the strips, you can identify that this is a cat. Again, with the help of this circle, draw inside one design like this design, and to this design put ends like this. Now after that put a curve and two dots. Now put the limbs. What it has become? It has become a tortoise. Again eyes like this and one curve inside. Inside the curve two dots for nostrils and mouth. Now you can identify this animal. What is this animal? Can you identify? Now you can identify this animal is none other than what? By seeing these strips here, you can identify this animal is a giraffe. See children, like this you can make speed or quick drawings. Again two dots for the eyes and then long two lines. Now by seeing these lines you can identify that this animal is what? You can identify now very easily. This animal is what? Is an elephant. See children, an elephant. The completed picture of this beautiful elephant is done. The completed picture of ladybird, elephant, the rabbit and the giraffe. The tortoise, the frog, the cat and the hen or the bird. You can see children, I have drawn in black only. You have to color it as per your availability of colors. This is a picture of an owl, the bear, the dog and the sheep. You see children, observe these drawings how I did in simplest and speed way as I showed you on the board. Same way you have to practice more and more and color it. I hope you understood this class. See you next class children. Thank you.